Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the Hurst Harry's Old Monogram model car kit in 1/24 scale. And this one, well, this says copyright 1967, but I don't think this kit is from 67. Here, 1995. So originally 67, and this particular one, 95. And this is kit number PC175.200. I don't know if that means anything, but there it is. We're ready. Let's get right into this one. Hope you're all having a great day. Yeah, we got the instructions on this one, but I'm going to come back to that. Here's the decals. Wow, those are yellowed up pretty good. They've been in there almost 30 years, right? 95. Hurst Airy Oldsmobile. That's funny. The H of the Hurst thing is part of the name of it. It says something up here. Joe Schrubeck, it looks like it. Or Skubeck, I don't know how to pronounce it. Gentleman Joe, apparently. And Sharp, Mylodon, Bell, Sharp, Krager, Champion. Okay. Those are the decals. Set them back there. And here's the body. Wow, that's a big one. Let me go ahead and pull the chassis out of the bottom of that and everything else. Here's the body. A little bit of flashing right there. Could use some scribing in there to define them lines a little bit. Nice and straight. Feels pretty good. Decent thickness. That's the old Cutlass Oldsmobile there. 442 it says on the badge in there. Nothing much going on in there. Alrighty. And here is the chassis. Decent. A little bit thinner than the body plastic, but decent. Nice and straight. Not a whole lot going on under there that looks recognizable to every other car we build. All the stock ones are a little bit built different here. Nice framework. Alright. Interior bucket. Couple little spots in there for your seats. Alright. And here, out of the plastic, is front and rear glass. I think this is the front one. Or that could be the rear one. Yeah, that's the rear glass. This is the front. It's really nice and clean looking. We'll keep it back there to protect it. And here we have the engines. Two big engines, not a whole lot of detail on them. Here's the dashboard. Heads for both engines. Wheel backings. Exhaust. And not sure what that is. Part number 19. We'll look that up when we get to it. It looks like I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the way the exhaust and the gas and the brake pedal attach inside the interior bucket. I'm not sure. And here's drive shaft or front suspension. Probably the front link for the front suspension. This kit looks like it's been sitting around for quite a while. Here's chrome, the beautiful front end and the rear end with the taillight bezels molded in. Stock looking hubcaps. Some fronts of the blowers for the scoops for the intake. They go in front of these. Two of those, two sets of valve covers, two sets of intakes. Very nice. Another one of these kind of shaped things. This is number 18. The other one was 19, so I have to look for that when we get into the instructions. I'm trying not to forget this time, guys. Here's the front suspension, the steering knuckles there, spindles. Here are the seats. Decent pair of seats, some roll bars, steering wheel, nice looking steering wheel, some wheel inserts. Everything is bigger on the 1/24 scale. It's kind of funny. Even the tires seem huge. It's like 4 slicks. Got some wheel inserts that'll go in there. No branding on them. Scuff them up a little bit, make them look really nice though. And then in the box we have another suspension part with the where the wheels will attach. I guess the engine is going to cradle in there somehow. And a little piece of flashing there. So that's it for parts. Twin engine funny car is what this is. 1/24 scale, like I mentioned. Here's a little bit of a write-up on the actual car itself. That's pretty cool. Put the engine together. Looking for 118 and 119. Yeah, very basic kit here. Slap it together and be done with it, right? Here we go. 118 and 119 are there, but they don't tell you what the parts are. Cement tabs, throttles. 19 is throttles, so there's no fuel pedal. It was hand controls. 18 is the shifters. It says to cement the tabs on the shifters, P18, and throttles, W19, to notch on the front and rear of the console or in the interior. So that's what those are. And we'll slap the body together. Wow, that's it, guys. This is 4 steps to building this one. Pretty crazy. Well, there you have it, guys. That's a short one. I hope you enjoyed it. This is an interesting kit. I wonder if I'll get around to building it. Some tips on painting, finishing your model, applying decals, all the good stuff. That's pretty cool. Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it. Have yourselves all a great day. Like, share, comment, and subscribe as always, please. And keep on modeling. We'll see you on the next one.